Welcome to this comprehensive guide on step-by-step Venmo instructions. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money easily. To get started with Venmo, first you need to download the Venmo app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the app icon to open it and click on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also be asked to create a password and add a funding source such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. After you have provided the required information, tap on Sign Up to create your Venmo account. To add a funding source, go to the Settings tab and select Payment Methods. Then select Add Payment Method and choose the type of funding source you want to add. You will be asked to provide the account information for the funding source you selected. Once you have added a funding source, you can start sending and receiving money. To send money, open the Venmo app and tap on the Pay or Request button. Enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment to describe what the payment is for. Then select the funding source you want to use and tap on Pay. To receive money, the sender needs to have your Venmo username, email address, or phone number. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the money will be added to your Venmo balance. You can then transfer the money to your bank account or use it to make purchases. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Venmo include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your account information secure, and monitoring your account activity regularly. It is also a good idea to set up a PIN or fingerprint authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. In conclusion, using Venmo is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these instructions and best practices, you can start sending and receiving money with ease and confidence.